Hello my dear students, welcome to the online class of Mamta Jila High School, Dhanbari Tangail. I am Dilor Hussain, Assistant Teacher English. Now I have come to take a class on the rules of passage narration. In the previous classes, I have also taken some rules, some critical rules on the passage narration. In accordance with that, I also have come here only to give you some rules on the passage narration. For example, I have written a rule on the passage narration here. We can see in most of the cases some fragmentary word or phrases is included in a passage narration. Most of the students feel dilemma whether feel problem or complex situation, how they should solve the problem. In such a situation, he should follow the rule as I have written on the board. Look at the board and take a glance at that and try to understand what I have written on the board. অনেক সময় রিপোর্টেড স্পিচে পূর্ণাঙ্গ সেন্টেন্স থাকে না, সেন্টেন্সের অংশ বা ফ্রেজ থাকে, সেক্ষেত্রে ইনডাইরেক্টে পরিবর্তন করার সময় পূর্ণাঙ্গ সেন্টেন্সে পরিবর্তন করতে হয়। এইখান থেকে আমরা ক্লিয়ারলি এর ধারণা নিতে পারবো। Look at the example. You have done a lot for me. How much should I pay you? He said to the rickshaw puller, 100 taka. Anything is alright. Try to understand the sentence. Here the speaker he is saying to the rickshaw puller that you have done a lot for me. How much should I pay to you? And again he asked the rickshaw puller 100 taka. Anything is alright. Now I'm going to translate it into indirect. Look at the board and try to understand. And if you have any question, you may ask me in the comment box, and I will try my level best to give you the satisfied answer. And now look at the board. In order to change direct into indirect, you will have to find out the subject of the reporting verb. The subject of the reporting verb. Here, the subject of the reporting verb is he, and the object of the reporting verb is the rickshaw puller. So we'll have to write he at the very beginning of the indirect speech. He, as you have done a lot for me, is an assertive sentence. So it will be changed into told. He told the rickshaw puller that is taken here because the sentence you have done a lot for me is an assertive. That is why you will have to write that in place of comma. There is sure that you will follow the object of the reporting verb, the rickshaw puller. He, that means RP, rickshaw puller. Any have will be changed into had. He had done a lot for me. Is the first person and will follow the subject of the reporting verb. He will be changed into him, for him. And asked is taken in place of say, because in the next sentence we have find a kind of sentence which is interrogative in form. How much should I pay you? How much should I pay you? And asked how much he should, that is modal auxiliary. If you find any past form of modal auxiliary, it will not take any other change, it will remain unchanged. How much he should pay him, that means rickshaw puller. 100 taka is not a complete sentence, it's only a phrase. So you will have to make the phrase into a complete sentence. That is, the phrase will take a subject and verb. He also asked if 50 taka 100 taka, if 100 taka would do, if 100 taka would do. He replied, that means the rickshaw puller replied that anything was alright. Anything was alright. In the next portion, the rickshaw puller is giving answer of the speaker. The rickshaw puller replied that anything is the subject of the next question. That anything is will be changed into was. That is the present form. It will be changed into past form, was. Alright. Now it is clear. The phrase is changed into a complete sentence in the indirect of the direct narration. If you have any question regarding the rule, you may ask me in the comment box and I will try my level best to give you the right answer. In the next rule, now I am going to give you the next rule regarding passage narration. In some direct speech of passage narration, we see that the speaker uses asked, request, muttered, cried, replied, etc. as the reporting verb. When the learner changes the direct into indirect, he doesn't need to change asked, muttered, replied in any other form. It will be remain unchanged. So you should not feel any complex situation, or you should not try another way. Just keep the reporting verb unchanged. For example, I'm giving you a statement. He asked me, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Here, in place of say to, the speaker directly uses asked. In the indirect form you will have to write, he asked me. As WS word is given before the interrogative sentence, that is why comma will be rubbed out, and in place of comma where will be placed. He asked me, where you is the second person, that is why it will follow me, and in place of u, mu will take its nominative case I. Leave will be changed into lived, as the reporting verb of the sentence is in the first form. Now we are taking another example. He cried he should remain silent. He should remain silent. In the sentence, in place of said to or said, cried is used as reporting verb of the sentence. In indirect form, it will remain unchanged. He cried. Comma will be changed to that. He cried that. He the third form, so it will not connect itself with other word. It will remain unchanged. He should. In modal auxiliary, that is why it will not change into any other form. He should remain. He should remain silent. He should remain silent. Try to understand the reporting verb of the direct speech remains unchanged in the indirect form. And the reason is cried, muttered, replied, asked, requested. All this reporting verb remain unchanged in the indirect form. That is why they are not changed in the sentences. Okay, no more today. Thanks to all my dear students. I hope all of you will follow my classes and will ask me in the comment box if you don't understand any rule given in the classes. I will try my level best to give you the answer. Okay, now I am giving you some advices regarding drug addiction. You know, drug addiction is a social disease. It damages the young generation, not only the young generation, but also the development programs of the country. As the child of the present time is the father of the future nation, is the builder of the future nation, so you don't have any scope to adjust your life, as you are the property, you are the wealth of the country, so you will have to be used properly in order to develop the country. Not only you are connected with the country, you are also connected with yourself and your family. Your parents always try to give you a bright future. When you are connected with some bad companies, your future, the hope of your parents, the hope of the country will be damaged. So try to rectify yourself, try to keep you aloof from the bad companions, from the association with drugs, from the association with bad companies, bad friends who are addicted, who do not have any common sense. At last, I hope all your success in life. No more today. Wait for the next class. Bye bye. See you.